Brothers. Today we're going to be picking up a new car. Okay, well, it's not really new. It's actually a piece of shit to an extent, but it's not going to be my car. It's a 1986 Cressida Wagon. Watch me be butchering that year so badly, but I'm pretty sure that was the year. And currently right now, I am driving to Nate's house so we can look at this Cressida because we have about a 30-minute drive or so we can go ahead and check this car out. And he is so excited to the point he doesn't know how to contain himself. Money has just a distinct smell. Yeah. It's like the hundreds that have a good smell, and then the $1 bills for whatever reason.
The $1 bills is just that bum money, because it's that stripper booty money.
Bro, Yard House sound gas right now. Bro, I know you got bands in there. Can we go get some Yard House? Fuck the car. Bowling. Blah, 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 blah. There it is, brother. We're getting closer. We're getting... It's right there, brother. It is right there. It's right there. Oh, he's driving away. He's driving away. Where you going, brother? I feel like we're on an episode of Cops right now. Someone just recording the passenger seat. The cameraman never get hurt.
Suspect is in an 84 Cressida Wagon. Copy.
10-4.
Dang, nab it.
It's fucking here, brother. It's fucking here. And it's driving. It's running. That thing is low as fuck. Holy shit.
A few moments later.
Tell me how you feeling, brother. Tell me how you feeling.
That's how I'm feeling.
Oh, brothers, I get the honors. That's okay to make excuses, Joe. You're good. You ready, Joe? You ready? We got a boat chopping, brah. We don't need an LS. Oh, there goes the wiper blades. I was telling Nate a second ago, because he said, hey, yo, roll down all the windows on here. Watch how fast this shit rolls down. Okay, that was a lot faster than it was a minute ago. Let's do this one. Okay, I promise you I'm not lying. Okay, there you go. Perfect example. But we're gonna roll it back down because it's hot as fuck in here. But what I wanted to get at though is that, oh, they're automatic.
Yeah.
No way. Shit. This whole control panel here is just weird as fuck. I guess it's just for its age, that just the vibe they went through at that time. But pretty dope, pretty dope. It even has a radiator light, which I've never seen before. I think that's pretty cool. But this is a huge motherfucker. Sound like a boat, feel like a boat. It is a boat.
Drives like a fucking no power steering, dude.
No power there's nothing right about this car. What's this? Electronic controlled transmission. Economy, normal power. Dude, that's the shit they used to do back then. I need a video of your first time sitting in this car. This isn't a me car, this is a you car. What am I doing sitting in this shit? Look at my boy. Look at you going, bro.
Shit. Going home. Going home.
Right here, look. Nice cock, bro. Oh, the vlog about to go crazy. Oh, a lot of room to stretch my nut. Dude, you could feel the exhaust shaking your ass. No shit.
Oh my goodness. Nice shit.
Bro got a shovel. Jesus Christ. How did he not look? Look at the family.
I run a tight ship.
I've seen it, bro.
Look at these rich guys over here dropping down 50 beans.
50. I'm making rent back.
He's like, I'm broke.
Strip 2.
Oh!
What do you got?
Oh!
Nothing.
Nothing.
I thought I could play.
Name point.
Oh, wait.
There we go, boy.
You lost.
What?
You got ace, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Damn.
Damn. What a cooler.
Give me that. Give me that.
Yeah, dude. That.
Oh, shit.
All right. So that's it. So what do you guys got?
It's just who's it?
Oh, damn. Oh, my God. Kings.
There we go. There we go. Let's see.
Let me see your fucking cards.
What? Ace 4. Damn, you had a good hand too, bro. They won. No, they won.
There we go, brother. Don's is coming. Don's is coming.
Casino money.
What's up, Uno? Jackass.